360-degree cameras are relatively new on the market, but they are catching on fast. New 360-degree cameras are released every year, while some of them seem to be underrated, while some others simply offer more than the rest. Are you planning to buy 360-degree action camera, but feel lost by the sheer number of options? If yes, you are at the right place. We have compiled the list of top 5 best 360-degree action cameras so that you can have a clear idea of what our top 5 cameras are available at an affordable price. But before starting our video, please subscribe to our channel Gadget Centro and press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. Now let's get into it. Kodak Pixpro SP360 Action Cam. With its easy-to-use design, the Kodak Pixpro SP360 Action Cam makes it possible to capture all of your most exciting adventures with ease. Equipped with a dual-lens system, the Kodak Pixpro SP360 Action Cam takes amazing high-speed, crystal-clear images with its advanced MOS sensor. Shoot 180-degree panoramas, 360-degree domes, and 10 FPS video with a touch of a button. This mini-sized 360-degree action cam captures priceless moments with the family by the beach or on a ski vacation. The built-in Wi-Fi feature makes it easy to share your images online. This camera can hold its own underwater to depths of up to 40 feet, be snowproof for up to 11 feet, and capture 16 million pixel still images at speeds of up to 30 frames per second. GoPro Fusion CHD-HZ103 Action Camera. GoPro Fusion is a mountable 360-degree camera that can capture and stitch together videos and images into a fully immersive new kind of content, spherical content. You can then share this spherical content on platforms that support virtual reality like YouTube and Facebook, or view it on devices like Google Cardboard, Samsung Gear VR, Oculus Go, PlayStation VR, and HTC Vive. Fusion's mobile app offers the ultimate control over your video editing experience, letting you create amazing videos of any length, with 360-degree audio, cinematic controls, and the ability to create amazing boomerang videos. Insta360 One X2 Action Camera. Insta360's One X2 Action Camera is the only action camera that captures 360 videos and takes pictures in one compact, wireless device. Just shoot, edit, and share with 3 easy steps. Shoot photos or videos as a single image, or choose either one of 2 continuous capture modes for 360-degree 4K Ultra HD image stabilization. Offering flow state stabilization for both photos and video, you'll always have a rock-solid shot. The Insta360 One X2 is a leap forward for action cameras, a must-have for sports fans and creators alike. The Insta360 One X2 allows for automatic stitching of videos recorded in 360 degrees through software that is easily downloaded into your favorite mobile device or laptop. The Insta360 One X2 camera makes capturing professional quality content easier than ever before. Ricoh Theta Z1. The Ricoh Theta Z1 360-degree camera is a powerful pocket-sized tool for sharing your 360-degree experiences. Its shape and size make it easy to carry around, while its durable design can withstand being dropped from a height of 1 meter. It produces 7K resolution images and 4K resolution spherical videos, the highest quality 360-degree view possible for a smartphone. The Z1 allows users to immediately render and share spherical images and video to their smartphone and social media sites, such as Facebook and YouTube, using the dedicated apps. Insta360 ONE Twin Edition. Insta360 ONE Twin Edition allows everyone to capture and share 360-degree video and photos effortlessly. This edition supports continuous shooting, time-lapse, night mode and film mode. Its anti-shake system is 2 generations stronger. It has powerful software tools and a built-in gyroscope and an accelerometer for image and video stabilization. It supports for 5.7K video resolution. It is the first product to support 4K 60 FPS video and can record 5.7K 3D VR videos. Well, that's all for today. If you want to buy these cameras, then check out the link below or visit our website, gadgetcentro.com. See you in the next video with more amazing gadgets.